In today's video, I will walk you through how to schedule messages on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Scheduling messages is a convenient way to send a message at a later date or time without having to remember to do it yourself. If your version of Telegram includes the message scheduling feature, you can set this up in just a few steps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule a message on Telegram. To begin, open the conversation where you want the scheduled message to be delivered. This can be a private chat, a group, or a channel where you have permission to send messages. Next, type the message you want to schedule in the message box. Take a moment to review the text and make sure everything is exactly the way you want it before choosing the delivery time. Instead of sending the message immediately, click the attachment icon to open additional menu. From the menu, select Date. Telegram will then display a window where you can choose the date and time when you want the message to be sent. Use the date and time selector to pick your preferred delivery time. Double-check your selection to make sure the message will be sent when you expect. Once you've selected the schedule, confirm your choice by clicking the Save button. Your message will be saved and will remain pending until the selected date and time arrives. If you want to review your scheduled messages before they're sent, open the conversation and look for the Scheduled Messages section, if it's available. From there, you may be able to view, edit, reschedule, or delete a scheduled message before it's delivered. Scheduling messages is especially useful for reminders, announcements, birthday greetings, or any message you want delivered at a specific time without needing to be online. And that's all there is to it. Scheduling messages can help you stay organized and communicate at exactly the right moment, whenever the feature is available. And that's how to schedule messages on Telegram Web. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.